Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect Cassandra from Spark. In this video only I am concentrating on Spark part, and I am not going to explain what is Cassandra or why it is used, all these things. So Cassandra, as you know, as you are aware, Cassandra is a NoSQL database, one of the NoSQL database popularly used. Few still many of the industries, they are maintaining their data in Cassandra NoSQL database. Okay, actually in this uh, Cassandra database, it is similar to databases. In database, first what we will create, database will create, inside the database tables will be there. Similarly, in Cassandra we'll have, instead of database we have key spaces. Inside key spaces tables will be there. Okay, we'll create one key space, then we'll create inside tables. Okay, if something data is there in the key space in one of the table, so how to read that one? So in this video we'll see that. So if you want to connect to Cassandra from the Spark, in the Spark session, no, you have to add the using config. You can add all the Spark related configurations here. So in Spark submit configurations, all these things you can add here. Similarly, for this demo I am using same config option here. Spark.cassandra.connection host I am passing. Connection host name I am giving. So currently Cassandra I have installed in Ubuntu in localhost, so I'm giving localhost, and port number I am giving 9042. By default Cassandra will be installed in the 9042 port number, that's why I am giving here. Then once that is done, the data frame, how we have to read Cassandra, that Cassandra API is spark.read.format. There, for if it is a CSV, directly will give CSV, right? So instead of any other file format, we are giving org.apache.spark.sql.cassandra format. Then in options we are passing table and key space name. Okay, in my demo table is employee table I have created in the key space big data trends. Okay, just then load. So this data frame, it will get the data from the Cassandra employee table. Just I am showing adding show here. Okay, just I am displaying the data. So Cassandra installation and all, it's very simple. Just download the Cassandra into Ubuntu and extract it, create home path, Cassandra home path. So once home path is created, then path is created, then you type CQL dot CQLSH, then you will get this prompt. Then if you want to see home what are all the key spaces are there, you can type show key spaces. Describe key spaces. So you can see big data trend is one of the key space. So if you want to use big data trends, so directly you can use. If you want to go to big data trends key space, use big data trends, then show tables, describe tables, anything you can give. See, two tables are there. So employee is the one of the table. So if you want to see the data from the employee table, select star from key space name dot table name, or directly you can give emp also. So this data, this table I want to read from the Spark. So just go right click, execute, run. I'm assuming you have installed everything, Cassandra is ready, then only this will be useful. See here, you can see, you can read the data. Similarly, in the next demo, I will show how to write data from the Spark to uh, Hive and Cassandra also.